Number 34, right here.
He was in line, man. He just went out to go get gas in his car.
Oh, so I could go out, fuck your sister, come back Saturday, I go to the front of the line? This ain't negotiation time. This is Scarface, final scene, fucking bazookas under each arm. Say hello to my little friend.
Okay.
Blacked out like a phantom. Your phone keeps having a tantrum. You a boy got the party. This song your national anthem.
I have kids.
Then go back inside before you get hurt.
I have a goddamn family to support.
Fuck off.
Yeah, right. Go piss it away at blackjack, fucking asshole.
Oh! What do you got to say now?